What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports. And yesterday we called it. It was a profitable day. We went up another 23 units yesterday on VIP. So can't complain, and congrats to everybody that took advantage of it because you made your money back plus a hell of a lot more. So let's hop into, we got 2 free plays for you today and then a recap of yesterday's. So we won this 4-man for 5X on Dabble. We won this 4-man for 5X on Dabble. We won this 25X over on Dabble with the Ohio State and Iowa for 25X. That's 6-man. We won this other 4-man for 5X. Won this other 4-man for 5X. And then we won this 2-man over on BETR. We won quite a few 2-mans over on BETR. So Garrett Nussmeier and Trey Harris, Higgins and Smith, Howard and Gabriel. And then we won this 4-man for 8.5x, 5 into 42.50 over on Prizepicks. We won this $5 into 11.25, double up our money over on Prizepicks. That was one of the discounted ones as well. And then we won the free play yesterday. Congrats to everybody that tailed the free play because you just made a bunch of money. If you would have tailed this play and bought VIP, you would have still profited even with buying VIP and putting the money down on this one. So we turned 10 into 81.30 over on Sleeper with the discounted pick and then the Ohio State trio there of Will Howard over 2 or 1.5 passing touchdowns. Jeremiah Smith over 70.5 receiving yards, and then Egbuka over 62.5. You got that on the last drive, so happy about that one. Then we won this other 2-man with Giddens and Sanders. This one, it was on track to hit for a 4-man for 5X, but we ended up, Travis Hunter got hurt or he went out. So it ended up being a 3-man for 2.5X. Won this other one with BETR for Genty and Becht. So overall, we went up 23.1 units yesterday. So an amazing day yesterday. We're looking to have another amazing day today in NFL. Last week NFL we crushed it. So we're looking to do the exact same this week. If you guys are interested in the VIP, either the Sunday Pass, which is $50, or the College Football NFL Week Pass, which is $100. Both of those, if you use the code NOEL, N-O-E-L, that's going to get you 80% off. So both of those 2 plans, if you use the code NOEL, it's going to get you 80% off. So take advantage of that today. Go get signed up and get all these plays locked in for today before the game start, and we're going to cash big. So let's hop into the 2 free plays for you. First one, we're going over on BETR. So if you guys aren't familiar with BETR, it's Jake Paul's app. Go ahead and use the code 907 Fantasy over there. They're going to hook you up with a $200 deposit match plus a free square. And then they have all the QBs, every single QB discounted today. So you can go ahead and play on the QBs today. So we're matching up a QB with a wide receiver and running back. So let's hop into what we're doing over there. Like I said, go ahead, get signed up over on BETR if you aren't on BETR yet. But we're going Jordan Love. They've discounted his passing plus rushing yards to 240.5. So I'm taking that over against Arizona. And then I'm going Jamar Chase. He's been heating up the last couple games. Over 74.5 receiving yards against the Giants. And then we're going Saquon Barkley to get a rushing touchdown today. So love this play. $10 into $50 on this one. On that 3-man there. And then second free play, if you guys are new to Sleeper, go over there, download Sleeper, sign up with code 907 Fantasy. They're going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match. $100 free money to go use. And then they've discounted Jamar Chase. And then they discounted, I can't remember. Oh, they discounted Jaden Daniels as the second one. But we're going with Jamar Chase on this one, but you can go play Jamar Chase and Jaden Daniels. Both of those discounted squares. If you want the other discounted one, hop on VIP. It's over there. But we're going Jamar Chase over 63.5 receiving yards. Taking the over there, that's the discounted play. And then we're doing the Houston double stack. So without Nico Collins, him getting put on IR, Stephon Diggs and Tank Dell are going to be the beneficiaries of that, getting more targets towards them. So I'm taking CJ Stroud over 241.5 passing yards, and then matching that up with Diggs to get 5 receptions. So love this play, $10 into 38.90 there. Those are the 2 free plays for you today. If you guys want any more of the free plays or VIP plays, that's going to be over here on the Winible, I guess it's up here, winnable.com/907fantasy sports. Go ahead and get signed up over there. If you use the code Noel, that's going to get you 80% off of the weekend pass and the NFL Sunday pass. So take advantage of all that. Good luck with all your plays today. If you guys need any of the links to any of the apps, those are all going to be down in the description below. So go ahead and go over there, get locked in, especially on BETR, Sleeper, Dabble, Chalkboard. Use the code 907fantasy over there. It's going to help me out. It's going to help you guys out. I appreciate it greatly. So good luck with all your plays today. Let's go have another amazing Sunday. Go cash big. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.